The ModelRisk ribbon can be customized to show only the features that you find useful. So at the moment, it is the full menu. For example, under Tools, there will be a variety of different tools that probably you would not need. Ordinary differential equations, PK, PD modeling, etc. To make the ModelRisk ribbon customize your particular needs, you click on the Help drop-down menu, select Appearance, and then you can either pick from a number of standard layouts, like, for example, for epidemiology or financial trading or insurance. So here we pick epidemiology. The ModelRisk ribbon reorganizes itself, and you will find, for example, under the Tools menu, a limited set of capabilities. You can also create your own ribbon by clicking on the Help drop-down menu, select Appearance, Template Editor. Click on the plus to create a new template, give it a name, and then select those features that you want to appear inside of your own template. If you want to understand a bit more about some of the features, you can click on the link, which will take you to a description in the help file. Click OK. And now we'll have a different view reflecting that particular setup that we required.